Xin chào các bạn, tôi tên là Charles, and welcome back to my new series, English with Charles. In this series, we will try to speak slowly so that English learners can follow and improve their skills. Do you want to understand spoken English better? Do you want to speak more clearly and confidently? Stick with this series and I promise you will be able to improve your skills and your confidence. So, for this first episode, what could be more exciting than to discuss life in Ho Chi Minh City for an English teacher, specifically for me? Ho Chi Minh City is a city I have fallen in love with over the 5 or 6 years that I have lived here. And it truly is the place I call home. Let's dive in to the nitty-gritty of my daily routine. And I'm interested to see how it compares to yours. Let's start with my morning routine. I normally wake up around 7 a.m. in order to prepare for the day. This is due to the fact my neighbors are very loud and love to bang around in the morning, and indeed for their dogs to bark. I get out of bed, my beautiful cozy bed, and then will get some sunlight and light exercise. I often like to eat cereal in the morning. I never get tired of it. Then I will begin my morning's teaching, normally from around 8:30 or 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. This is undoubtedly the highlight of my day. I love teaching in the morning because all of the students are fresh and full of energy. Moreover, I look forward to my morning Vietnamese coffee. Then I will grab a quick lunch, perhaps a salad or some chicken or indeed beef, before heading off to boxing. Boxing is my passion. It's the thing I love most in the world. So I look forward to going there every day. I would love to encourage you all to try boxing at some point if you can. Besides teaching, my afternoons are a fabulous time for me to spend quality time with my team to discuss any issues, problems, or dreams that they have. Moreover, I spend time talking to students individually to give them advice, pointers, and indeed to help them to improve with their IELTS. Many students in Vietnam feel a little bit shy and scared when it comes to the IELTS exam. So I like to give them some words of encouragement in order for them to feel more confident and ready for that test. I also spend a lot of time interviewing new teachers and doing teacher training, something that I pride myself on every day. After that, and indeed often on Fridays, I will spend time doing filming. This is something that has a special place in my heart. Nothing gives me more pleasure than to film new content for TikTok and YouTube and to hear my audience reaction. Researching new topics, new material for the IELTS exam and putting it into video and audio format is very important for me. I will then spend my evenings teaching, of course, all of my wonderful students, teaching them about the IELTS exam, techniques and strategies to help them to be successful. After that, around 9 p.m, I will send my students home and move on to dinner. Now, dinner is something for me that is the highlight of my day because I am passionate about food. Whether it be Vietnamese food, Western food, Chinese food, I love it all. So in the evenings, I will grab a bite to eat at my favorite restaurants, trying to have a variety of healthy and unhealthy dishes every day. Finally, I would love to talk about some of the extra activities I like to do in Ho Chi Minh City in my spare time. Firstly, in this city, there are so many exciting things to do. I love to go to the night markets to explore the hustle and bustle of those wonderful places. Secondly, I like to explore the city's landmarks such as Vitesco Tower and Landmark 81. Moreover, I am very passionate about afternoon tea, a tradition for British people. So I love to try some of the afternoon tea spots in this wonderful city. Let me know in the comments below, what activities do you suggest a foreigner can do in Ho Chi Minh City? I would love to know what you like to do and tell me a little bit about your daily routine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. A little bit slowed down version of my normal speaking, so it's nice and clear for you to listen. Thank you for watching. Leave any comments below with any topics you would like me to discuss in the future. Hit subscribe and indeed hit the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.